The conical rounder can give your dough the perfect shape and smoothness so that the dough is easy to handle and performs better. The machine has an adjustable flour sifter, Teflon-coated cone and Teflon-coated spiral. This ensures your dough comes out smooth and does not stick to the machine at any point. The consistent tension and gentle rolling of the dough help to preserve the internal dough structure and give you perfect results every time. Separate inlet and outlet conveyors help the dough to leave the machine in a controlled manner, and there is no risk of pieces getting stuck to each other. This machine is made from high-quality material, is easy to operate and can process up to 2,400 dough pieces in an hour with ease.